Hey you guys, in this video I will be showing you how to make this, a candy Easter basket with a balloon on top. Now if you can do me a favor and please like and subscribe, that way you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. With that being said, let's get started. Hey you guys, we are going to start off where we left off. Okay, so after you blow up your balloon, you're simply going to tie a couple of knots in it. All right, now I got to keep it real with y'all. Now you see the seam of the balloon, how it look all wrinkly? What you could do is, number one, add more air to your balloon. Okay, or you can go down in size to an 18-inch. All right, but for the video, I'm just gonna go ahead and rock with it. Okay, so you're gonna move the little piece down to the neck of the balloon, and we're going to secure it in place. You can use a 260Q balloon and cut it in half, or a thick rubber band. But I am going to go ahead and rock with a few of these small rubber bands right here, and I'm simply just going to wrap it around the neck of the balloon a few times and tie it a couple of times to secure it in place. Okay, so now I'm going to do is take my scissors and cut off the excess rubber bands. Boom, just like that. Now I'm going to take this little part right here. This came out of a balloon kit from Dollar Tree, and we're simply just going to attach it to the neck of the balloon. Okay, I just want you to see how I'm positioning it in my hand. And I'm just going to grip it just like that. Okay, so now we're just going to add tape around it to secure it in place. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit more tape. Well, not a little bit, a lot more tape. See that? And we're just going to wrap it all the way around. Okay, let's add a little bit more. A little bit more, a little bit more. All right. Now, once we do that, we're just going to cut off the excess plastic. Okay, so now we're just going to take 4 pieces of ribbon. You can rock with 2, let the 2 be a little bit thicker, but I'm going to rock with these 4 right here, okay? So I'm going to glue 2 of them together, one on top of the other. Just like that. And do the same thing with the other 2. Okay, now before we attach the ribbon, I am going to go ahead and dig a hole in the center of the foam. So just take some type of tool or something and dig a hole, not too big. This is where we're going to put the balloon. Well, I'm sorry. The balloon is going to sit on top of this box, and the little piece is going to go inside of this hole right here. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and attach the ribbon. Now, I messed up right here. You see that? Don't do that. You put it at the edge of the box. See where that arrow at? That's where you attach your ribbon, okay? See that? At the edge of the box. Okay. So now after you do that, you're going to take 2 pieces of tissue paper, and we simply going to cut both of them in half. All right. Now, once you do that, you're going to cut it in fourths. You're going to take those and cut those in half. All right. And then you're going to cut them in fourths. Boom. This is what we're rocking with. Now you want to glue them all around the box. Look how pretty. And I'm going to show you how. Just take a piece of tissue paper and go like this. Add you a little bit of glue. And glue it to the edge of the box. And just do it all the way around. All right. Now we're going to attach our balloon. And we're just going to stick it in the hole. Position it in place. And then take our ribbon. And go ahead and tie your bow. Okay, so once you tie your bow, you're going to go ahead and separate the 2 ribbons and spread them out. You can't really see it. I apologize for the footage. But that's what I'm doing, just separating the 2 ribbons on the side of the balloon. Okay, once you do that, just cut off your rubber bands. And then fluff out your tissue paper. And boom, there you go, you guys. Look how pretty. Now, to see another way how to put the stuffed animal in the balloon, check out my other video. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.